individual differences in emotionality and regulation between kids. These temperamental kinds of differences we think are partly genetic in basis and partly due to experience and socialization and a number of environmental factors, but there is a biological base. We also are very interested in the purely environmental or more purely environmental influences of socialization, particularly what goes on in the home that might encourage children to be sympathetic versus to react with personal distress when they're confronted with someone else in need. A lot of our work has been looking at these dispositional differences between children. If people who experience personal distress are actually empathically over-aroused, then people that have characteristics that make it more likely they're going to get over-aroused should be more prone to personal distress rather than sympathy. And so we hypothesize that people that are emotionally reactive, particularly to negative emotions, who are likely, some people experience emotions more easily and more intensely, and children that experience negative emotions more easily and more intensely should be more likely to become over-aroused emotionally. Another factor, though, is how well children can regulate their emotion. Because even if you're emotionally reactive, if you can then manage that emotion so that it doesn't get too aversive, the child should be able to be sympathetic. So we think it's this combination of individual differences in emotionality and regulation, and we think they actually sometimes interact. You have to look at them in combination.